Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So as I mentioned to you the last time, we are traveling from Bangalore to Kolkata by car, and we just started at 7 a.m. in the morning, and we do not have a fast tag yet on the car, so we have to wait in the queues for cash payment and then move on. Those are going to be nice. The weather is quite good. It's quite foggy and cold. I think it's 18 degrees now, 18 or 19 degrees. And it's cloudy as well, not too much of sun. So let's see how it goes. So I'll log in again when we take a break after this, hopefully for lunch also, because we won't be having too much time to stop over. We are on a tight schedule, and we have to reach around 7:30 and get some good sleep, because last night was like a 4-hour sleep night, and not ideal for trips like these, but you can't help it. Like, the first days of the trips are always quite nerve-wracking, and you barely get any sleep. But yeah, I think we are going to be fine, and I'll just see you guys after some time. And in the meanwhile, the GoPro is on the dash and it's recording, so hopefully we'll have some footage from there as well. Just trying to keep myself awake. Need some coffee desperately, but we are still looking for a good cafe somewhere ahead, maybe. Don't get me wrong, this highway is quite scenic, but having driven for the past 415 kilometers, 420 kilometers actually, on bad roads, good roads, all kinds of roads. At some point you lose patience, so I kind of am reaching that point, but we still have 250 kilometers left to go. So I have to keep myself awake and aware and cautious. I didn't expect this, but this highway is kind of crowded. There's a lot of traffic here. Not sure why. It's a 6-lane highway, by the way. 3 lanes, not 3 lanes, 6 lanes. Proper highway, smooth roads, no bumps, nothing, no potholes. But still, it's a difficult drive from here on. Let me just show you guys around a little bit, because I think this is quite scenic and beautiful. I'll just give you guys a quick tour. So that's our car, the Ford EcoSport Titanium S. So I hope we'll find a good cafe after that, and we can stop over there and have some coffee and some food or something, because we are hungry as well. We just took one lunch break, like 200 kilometers back or something, and we've been driving since then. You know what, being tired and being bored with the road is kind of a part and parcel of the trip itself. You're going on a road trip, you cannot expect adventure and interesting stuff at every corner or every every turn you take. You can't expect that. So the thing like which makes the adventures fast and the spectacular looking scenes so much more special is that you have to endure so much of boredom and kind of physical stress to get there, to reach to that point and then enjoy it. That's what makes it so much better. So that's it for now. I'll just go back into the car quickly and start driving again. I'm sorry I cannot vlog while driving because it's not safe. A lot of people do it, but not me, because you know what, you never know when things go wrong. So it's better to take it easy, not do too many things while you're driving. Second, I'm not doing much because the GoPro is already attached to the helmet and you're just speaking to it and turning it on and off. But in the car you have to hold the camera or the phone, the GoPro, anything, you have to hold on to it, and I do not really subscribe to that idea. I am not comfortable doing that, so I'll just leave it alone and just vlog whenever we take a break. That way we are safe, the car is safe, everything goes as per plan. Yep. So I'll see you guys inside the car. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So we are at Gopalpur now, and curious little place. Let me show you guys around a little bit. Very few people around actually, so that's kind of a positive thing. But the beach is dirty, kind of dirty. We'll just get our feet wet in the sea water. Finally, the beach, the sea. I don't think it's a good idea to go into the water with slippers on. You end up losing them, nothing else. So it's a nice little beach. Nothing too exciting, nothing too interesting. It's not Goa or anything, or Gokarna or anything. But if you manage to come here on a weekday, you're probably going to enjoy it. Have some alone time, sit by the water, sit on the beach, watch some sunrise. We came on a weekend and it was jam-packed with tourists and stuff. No sunrise today. Nothing. There's a lot of haze. Looks like a beach straight out of England or something. Some Scottish landscape out here.